This is a basic demonstration for the basic part for upgrade from your basic back to ebike. So this is a front wheel drive, the mid drive motor. This is specification is 36 volt and 750 volt. So we use 3 batteries here. Let's seal the lead acid battery. Each one is 12 volt. So add them together, that's 36 volt. So here is the central part of the ebike, we call the brain. The brain can be used to control everything. Through this wire, we connect it to the motor. Okay. And through this wire, connected with the throttle. So through the throttle, see, we can turn here during your drive. You control the power or voltage of the bike. We have 2 brakes here. When you press the brake, so automatically you can disconnect through these 2 wires, disconnect with the power to the motor. So here is a headlight connection. This one is for PAS connection through the PAS. So when you install the PAS system to your bike, when you pedal, you control the speed and therefore to the motor. Automatically will control the speed of your bike. These 2 wires, one is red, one is black. Those are power wires connected to your battery. So that's basically that's about the basic part of the ebike.